Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here we study Turkmen language and my name is Devlet. Names of the countries in Turkmen. Türkmen dilinde yurtların adları. Today we will study geography, a little of geography, and today we will study how to say the language in Turkmen language. About the nationalities and about the countries as well. Okay, let's get started. So these are randomly chosen countries. Some of them from Europe, some of them in Asia, some of them we share the borders, with some of them we do not share the borders. And so let's start. France. I want to say that if we talk about a little bit about the history. So the name of the countries nowadays which we use, most of them borrowed from Russian language. It doesn't mean that before we didn't know about before the Soviet Union we didn't know about any countries, we didn't know about anything. No, but during the Soviet Union our language let's say was influenced by the Russian language, so name of the countries also changed, and name of the languages as well. So now what we have is most of them came from the Russian language. I mean, not came, but the way we pronounce and the way we use, came from the Russian language. For example, France is a France. In Russian language it's a Francia. So Francia, we don't have C, we have S, Francia. It's a France. The next one, the next one is Mısır. Mısır is a Egypt. Mısır, it's a original name of the Egypt, and some of the people, especially the Russian speaking Turkmen people, they use Yigipit, the same as in Russian language. But originally, before the Soviet Union, before the Russian Empire, the name of the country we called Mısır. In the old Turkmen books, like which was written in the 19th century, 18th century, 17th, and so on, the name of the country is a Mısır. Even there is a proverb like Mısır'da şabolondan ödüyordun gedavol. So we called it, originally we call it Mısır, Egypt. The next one, Hindistan, India. Hindistan, India. Then Hatay, Hatay Halk Respublikası. That means People Republic of China. Hatay is a China, Halk, People, Respublika, Republic. Hatay, before we have a famous poet. His name is Martumuli. He's a philosopher, thinker, and he's one of the most wise people of Turkmen history. So in the poems of Martumuli, the name of the China, the name of that place, it's called Chen or Chin. So Hatay, and you can say it's came during this word we started using during the Soviet Union, because Hatay in Russian language it's Kitai, Hatay. Yeah, I think you can feel the similarity between two words. So now we use Hatay, officially Hatay. and even not officially, we say even in the spoken language you use Hatay, but in the old literature texts it's a Chin or Chen Ma Chen. Okay, the next one, Germania. Germania is a Germany. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So Germania is a Germany. Iran. Iran is a Iran. The full name of the country, if the people from Iran watching this video, I'm sorry, I didn't write the full name of the country. It's a Iran Islam Respublikası. Iran Islam Respublikası. Islamic Republic of Iran. Iran. The next one, Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. G-A-Z. Kazakhstan. Not Kazakhstan, not Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. ABŞ. ABŞ. Amerika'nın Birleşen Ştatları, United States of America. Or just shortly we say when we talk about the United States of America, most of the time we just say America. America. Turkey. Turkey is Turkey. The new name of the country is Turkey also, or Turkey before. Turkey. The next one, Russia. Russia is Russia. Russia, in the spoken language we call it Orfiet. But in a formal way, in official language, it is Russia. Russia. Hispania is Spain, and Japonia is Japan. Okay. So students, now the same countries, and here we have the nationalities, and this is the language which is spoken in that country, official languages of those countries. So nationality, the name of the nationality, let's say, plus the suffix cha or che according to the yoğun or ince çekimli, means language. For example, Fransa is a France. Millet, nationality, is a Fransuz. Nationality is a Fransuz, means Fransuz, French. In Russian it's a Fransuz. In Turkmen we say Fransuz. Fransa, Fransuz, and then we add cha after the nationality, and as a result we have Fransuzca. Fransuzca, that means French language. Fransuzca means French language. Mısır, Egypt, but let's say not the whole Egypt is the Arab people. There are also ancient Egyptians, but let's say most of them maybe they are Arabs. So Mısır, the people who live there, they are Arabs, Arab, and the language we add cha, Arabça. Arabça means Arabic language. Arabic language. Millet is a nationality. Millet. By the way, millet is also Arabic word. Millet. They say milla. I think without t, but we say without t. So the next one, Hindustan. Hindustan. The people, let's say, yeah, there are lots of ethnicities. I know there are lots of ethnicities. There are more than 200 languages. I have friends from India, they told me, but we cannot write all of them. So let's say Hindi. Millet, the nationality is a Hindi, and Dil Hindice. I think Hindu language is one of the official languages in India. That's why I chose Hindi, and we added che, because here E is ince çekimli, che is ince çekimli. Hindice, Hindi language. Then Hatay Halk Respublikası, Hatay, China. Millet, Hatay. The majority, yes, in China there are also lots of ethnicities. lots of minorities, but in general they are Chinese people, the citizens of China, and let's say 中国人 as in Chinese language. Khatay. We added cha, Khatay cha, millet, and dil Khatay cha. Khatay cha means Chinese language. By saying that, we means Putonghua, the Beijing dialect. Germania, Germany. Nemeth, the nationality is a Nemeth. Nemets in Russian language, in Turkmen Nemeth, in the language Nemethçe, Dutch language. Iran or Iran Islam Respublikası, Iran millet. We can say Iran and we can say Parth. Both of them are possible. In some situations we use Iran, with some situations we use Parth. And the Dil Parthça, the language is Farsi, we say Parthça, Parthça. Kazakhstan, our neighbor in the north. Kazakhstan, millet, Kazakh, Dil, the language Kazakça, Kazakça. Actually, we are both Turkic nations and Turkic speakers, so our language is easy to learn to each other. Is easy to learn to each other by each other. Kazak, Kazakça. ABŞ, Amerika'nın Birleşen Ştatları. The people who live there, they are American, American, and the language İngilizce. Why? Because Amerikança, American language, it's not correct. İngilizce. İngilizce. English is a English language. İngilizce, English language. Türkiye, millet, Türk, dil, Türkçe. Russia, millet, Russia, as I said, in a informal way, we can say Orthyet, but here we learn the formal language, let's say, the official language. So, millet, Ruth. We can say Ruth or Orth. Dil, Ruthça or Orthça or Refça. So, but it's better to learn the official way. Now it's better to learn the formal way. Later we can also learn the informal way. Rusya, Ruth, Rusça. So, Hispania, Hispan, Hispança. Hispania, Spain, Hispan, millet, Hispança, dil. Japonia, Japan, Japon, Japonça. So these were the yurt country, millet, nationality, dil, language. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.